Hey everyone, did you know that in 2025, millions of people are earning an extra $3,000 to $10,000 per month without sitting in front of a computer all day? In this video, I'm sharing 5 real physical side hustles you can start right now with very little money. These are booming right now and can help you achieve financial freedom while working on your own terms. I walk you through each one, including how to get started, what you'll need, the potential earnings, and tips to succeed. Watch till the end and subscribe for more money-making ideas. If you're good at math, English, science, music, or test prep, teach kids in the neighborhood or at their homes. Right now, parents are paying $50, $100 per hour for one-on-one help. With 15 to 20 students per week, you can easily make $5,000, $8,000 a month. Just start with a room and some basic materials. To get going, create flyers or post on local groups to attract students. Focus on subjects you're passionate about to make lessons engaging. The benefits are flexible hours and building long-term relationships with families, leading to referrals. Potential earnings can grow if you expand to group sessions or online supplements later. Bake cakes, cookies, cupcakes, healthy meal prep meals, or specialty items and sell them locally at farmers markets or for events. Run group fitness classes in parks, beaches, or apartment complexes, boot camps, yoga, or personal training. Charge $20, $40 per person per session. Right now, everyone is spending money on fitness and weight loss. With 4 to 5 classes a week and 10 to 15 people each, you can make $4,000, $8,000 monthly. Start by getting certified if needed and promoting through social media. Choose locations that are accessible and safe. Benefits include improving your own health while helping others, and it's a great way to build a community. Increase earnings by offering packages or private sessions. Fix cracked screens, batteries, and chargers for phones and laptops. Work from home or go door to door. Right now, everyone has multiple devices and repair demand is huge. Many people are earning $5,000, $12,000 a month. Learn the skills on YouTube and charge $80, $200 per repair. Begin with basic tools like screwdrivers and replacement parts. Advertise on local apps or word of mouth. The perks are quick turnaround times and repeat business from satisfied customers. Expand by stocking common parts to reduce wait times. Go to customers' homes or offices and offer full car detailing and washing. Right now, people want their cars looking brand new. Charge $150, $300 per car. Do 3 to 5 cars a day and you can make $6,000, $10,000 plus per month. Start with a pressure washer and basic supplies. Market your services through flyers or online groups. Advantages include mobile flexibility and high demand in busy areas. Boost income by adding add-ons like waxing or interior deep cleaning. Quick tips for all these hustles. Offer the first few services at a discount to get reviews and photos. Promote on Nextdoor, Facebook groups, Craigslist, and locally. Always show up on time and look professional. Keep startup costs low and reinvest your earnings. Track your expenses and set goals for growth. Stay updated on local regulations and build a network for referrals. Consistency is key to turning these into full-time income sources. If this video helped you, hit that like button, comment below which side hustle you're going to start, and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.